Welcome back, guys. Today I've got a review on Kings of Crunch, Greenlight Kings of Crunch Series 6. As you can see, I spent $55 on this sealed case of 6 vehicles, Chance of a Chase. Purchased those from my friends here at the Aurelia Diecast. So if you're an Ontarian or in Canada looking to find your Greenlight without paying exorbitant fees, shipping from around the world and other parts unknown, give them a shout, give them a ring-a-ding-ding. Check out their website and like them on Facebook at facebook.com/Aurelia Diecast. Anyways, let's get right into this case. Going to crack it open and see what we've got before we get them out. Onto the diorama for a full review. Yes, I did say the diorama. Finally got the diorama cleared off, so we're going to have some fun with these trucks, crushing some cars and whatnot. And there indeed is a sealed case. Let's see, the first vehicle coming out of the case. Now, I'm not sure about the zoom level here, if it's going to be the right zoom. And yes, it is a Green Machine. Look at that, 1972 Chevrolet K10 AM/PM Rocket. I'm going to just step the zoom out one because it seems like I might be in a little too close to fully admire the packaging on these trucks as well. Series 6, the most recent wave of these vehicles, just coming out in stores and being delivered to dealers around this time, mid-late February 2020. There's the other trucks you're going to see in this set. All the packaging is going to be the same, but check it out. Green Machine, we're going to see that a whole lot clearer. Most likely going to be opening up all these trucks at this point, including the Green Machine. And next one out, 1975 Ford F-250, Jeff Danes King Kong. Pretty cool. Again, we're going to see these vehicles very clearly once they're out of the package, so not going to spend too much time looking at them in the packaging. For those of you collecting them in the packaging, obviously they present well, they hang well. If you have the wall space or the storage space, keep them in the package if that's what you like to do. Otherwise, let the 85 GMC High Sierra 2500 barefoot roll. Let her roll. All right, next one out. Next one out. What a beauty. 1974 Ford F-250 Godzilla. Very muted, kind of looks like a pre-Godzilla paint job on this big old Ford. I like it. I like it. And there's the one that probably most people are going to be after. It is the Bigfoot number 5 covered in mud. 1996 Ford F-250. Check out the mud on those slicks. That looks amazing. We haven't seen a dirty version of this truck yet. It has been released a couple times previous. Once in Series 5, and I think once in Series 3. I missed the one in Series 4, unfortunately, so still looking out for that one. And here we have an 86 Chevrolet K20 Taurus. A Taurus, eh? Look at that. Some cool graphics on the hood. We're going to see that quite clearly once we get it open. And there you go. Let's get them all cracked open for you. The first vehicle from our field of 6 trucks, 1996 Ford F-250, Bigfoot number 5, coming for a slow roll over these 1970s and 60s junk cars in the junkyard diorama. Check it out. Second truck coming over the cars, the 1972 Chevrolet K10 AM/PM Rocket. Whoa, nice little hop. That truck looks amazing on those green mag wheels. And now a Chevy K20, 1986 Taurus. Whoa, sliding out on those cars. Good roll over the vehicles, though. Approaching the vehicles from the correct direction, it's the 1985 GMC High Sierra 2500 barefoot. Crushing the roofs down flat on these old junk cars. And now for a look at a classic 1974 Ford F-250 Godzilla with small little wheels. Is he going to be able to get over these cars? Let's hope so. Oh, he made it. Okay, it's a bit of a rough ride for this little truck, but some bigger wheels will help him out in the next run, I'm sure. And now time for another classic Ford truck to go over the cars. This one's a 1975 Ford F-250 Jeff Danes King Kong. Check out the exhaust stack coming out of the hood on this truck. Great sound coming out of that tailpipe. Holy, guess it's not really a tailpipe though now, is it? Wow, what a beauty. These trucks really do pack in a heck of a lot of detail. A lot of bang for your buck, in my opinion. Here's Bigfoot. We just want to take a better look at the mud on this truck in case you couldn't see it all from the epic show these trucks and drivers just put on. Mud all over the body, the frame, the tires, right up and over the roof and the hood. Really love the details they've got with this bug deflector and just the sheer weight of these trucks. Absolutely phenomenal. Great toys, great diorama displays, great anything. If you're collecting monster trucks, these things are just phenomenal. And the next one, we got to check out this green machine a little closer up. Check out that frame all painted green. The green hubs. Other than that, there should be no difference. This is a silver paint job, so I don't think this would be a raw. And this was the paint job this truck was supposed to have. So pretty cool. It's got a winch on the front. A couple grapple hooks, recovery hooks. Smitty built roll cage on the back. Got a bunch of KC headlights across the top. Goodyear sponsors. Arco. All sorts of cool stuff. So let's put that one down. Check out the Taurus. Love the wheels on this truck and the paint job. Great graphics. Let's see if we can't zoom in a little bit more. Boom. Look at that. Gold wheel nuts. Red deep dish rims with silver accents. Giant Goodyear tires wrapping those wheels. And there's the Taurus. You've got another picture of a bull. A Taurus bull just snorting angrily on the front of this truck. Check out that supercharger sticking out through the hood. Huge beefy roll cage. Awesome tonneau cover. And just a great looking suspension setup on that truck as well. Next one. Look at the Barefoot. Wow. This is another nice truck with a supercharger. GMC. This is a great square body truck for all you square body enthusiasts as we're making our way into the 1980s with the castings from Greenlight. This is around the time as a kid I was watching monster trucks. So I've got a great affection for these trucks. I also have a great affection for the older ones too, though. I had an RC truck much like this. Very muted looking vehicle here with no graphics on it whatsoever other than the red and the silver. I actually like it a lot. Mine alternatively had the big blue paint job on it and the Bigfoot livery on it, but that's a different story. That's a little reminiscent of my youth. Anyways, lots of love for these monster trucks. And this one's a great little setup with the smaller wheels. More of a competition type truck than a car crawler, I would think. But you never know. They were capable for both things. Here we have King Kong with an awesome exhaust stack coming out the hood. Really like that. Check out this huge double winch on the front. We've got a double winch. I don't know if you can see that. Double fog lights, double winches. Huge push bars. And on the back, a huge recovery winch looks like on the back underneath that bumper. May have seen a little bit of action as it's slightly crooked. Maybe he was pulling something a little too stuck. Maybe he was a little too stuck. Who knows? Anyways, those are your trucks. That's your field of trucks for this Greenlight Kings of Crunch Series 6 review. If you're after any of these trucks, you know what to do. Happy hunting!